accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, we say good morning, everybody, on this foggy start to the day. Friday, heading into the weekend, the final days of May. Low clouds overhead. Looks ominous over Hershey, but we had a couple of showers push through the region overnight. Now this morning, again, we're dealing with clouds and kind of murky conditions with some fog out there. Visibility is low in spots, but not everywhere. We can see, too, we had a few showers scoot by York and Lancaster counties, clipping Adams County. Heavier rain off to the south, but more is expected here later today, and I think there could be heavy rain possible here tonight. We're going to be tracking it for you, and we're going to have to wait and see how this plays out. Can we get unstable enough for a round of thunderstorms tonight into tomorrow? It's possible. So there's some uncertainties in the forecast just how much rain is coming, but we do think more is on the way, and that could lead to some minor flooding concerns, especially for those southern counties. Right now, getting less than 1/10 of an inch of rain from those showers, but Hummelstown picked up a little bit of rain overnight, 65 degrees. We have low 60s in East Earl, and the Hershey History Center also at 63 right now. And the Trails and Trees Nature Center in Mechanicsburg coming in at 60. Most places are in the low to mid 60s. York at 65, Baltimore and Philly share that number, 61 in Lebanon, 64 in Harrisburg. And this is warmer than yesterday now by a fairly significant amount, 5 to 10 degrees. So it's a mild start to the day because of the clouds, because of the fog that is around. And, you know, yesterday we did not make it into the mid 70s, 72, another below normal day. Today, I think maybe a better chance of getting into the mid 70s. But I'm also not going to promise that. I think we will get into the 70s. The question is, can we get closer to our normal high of 77? If we get some sunshine, sure, we will. And we did get a little bit of sun yesterday, too. We picked up 0.03 of an inch of rain, and our deficit now remains below an inch. That's good, especially going into tonight when I think some areas could see another inch of rain. This is Shippensburg. We're looking at the quad here at the university, and temperatures today, again, will be in the low to mid 70s across the region. So not a bad day, certainly a warmer day. But we've got some rain and thunder that's looming close by, and I think the potential for heavy rain exists going into the overnight period. And then tomorrow, unsettled still enough that there will be some scattered showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder around on Saturday before we dry things out here on Sunday and into next week. So again, we're waiting on that calendar to flip and the pattern to flip. Dinner on the grill tonight, you might be able to fit it in before the thunderstorms sort of take over, but they're going to be around, I think, anytime after 4 p.m. So keep an eye on things. Take the ABC 27 weather app with you, because I do think as we get into this evening, we could be dodging some storms. So let's show you that on Precision Cast. The clouds will clear a bit at times early this afternoon, and then anytime after 4 as we head into this evening, we are talking about the potential for heavy rain and a few storms. This will continue. Here's 4 a.m., for example. So I think overnight there could be rounds of heavy rain. And then tomorrow, scattered showers. They're going to be pop-up type, but they could contain some brief heavy rain, some gusty winds, maybe even a rumble of thunder tomorrow. And then the system finally lifts out by Saturday evening. We expect drier conditions going into the second half of the weekend. But I will tell you, a lot of model guidance suggest an inch or two of rain is possible again from this system tonight into tomorrow. So this would be good, beneficial rain, but there are some counties that are under a flood watch expected for minor flooding, given what they got earlier in the week. This is the area that got very good rainfall amounts on Wednesday, but Adams, York, and Lancaster counties in a flood watch through late tonight. Just keep an eye on that. Now, the one thing we don't have to worry about for the most part would be severe weather. I think really damaging wind gust, any tornado threat, that is going to be contained off to our south, and you can see that here from the Storm Prediction Center. So this is just going to be a rain event for us, with perhaps some embedded thunder. The other thing to note, it's going to get pretty breezy tonight. Winds over 15 miles an hour, quite a gusty day and a cooler day on Saturday with those showers. And then on Sunday, cool and breezy. Temperatures likely stuck in the 60s and the winds at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. So highs today should get into the mid 70s. Precision Cast may be upping the ante a little bit there. Tonight, dipping into the 50s, and then we're going to be cool tomorrow with occasional showers. Highs peaking likely in the upper 60s both days this weekend. So again, the weekend looks a little unsettled, but I do think drier by Sunday. 76 today, downpours and thunderstorms after 4. Tonight, 56. Heavy rain at times tonight. May wake you up. And then as we look ahead into tomorrow, we remain unsettled. Scattered showers, peaks of sunshine, but it's going to be cool and breezy here through Sunday. Sunday looks drier with partly cloudy skies, and then next week, kind of a break from the nonsense here as we move into a sunny stretch and temperatures getting into the 80s.
That's going to feel so nice.
It will. Yep. Time to flip that calendar.
Yes. All right. Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.